we've determined our starting point. It's going to get us to where we want on the other side for this contour that's going to cross the entire property. So we've marked our starting point. We now can mark our points all the way across and dig to join the dots. So we should just, we're going to have to take out a few little trees, but we've kept the destruction to a minimum, and our regeneration will be greater than the loss.
I don't know what it looks like there, but yeah.
Pruners.
Nice. Bottom of this hill, and Grant is cutting in to connect to the swale. So the water that drains down this ditch is gonna get diverted. It's gonna get diverted, and it's gonna get diverted directly into this extremely long swale that cuts across the property.